Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Old and new subscribers alike. Okay, y'all, welcome today for our part one of our prepping session for Jamaican Saturday soup. Now it is Saturday the 4th of November. It is like 3 minutes to 10 or 2 minutes to 10, and you know Jamaican traditional from long time, we do soup on a Saturday. Whatever the meat, it can be used with either beef, mostly chicken or beef bone, the bony part, we call it soup meat in Jamaica. It can be done with chicken foot, chicken back, chicken neck. Okay, y'all, and today I'm using chicken foot and chicken neck. So I want to show you how you go about getting your meat properly cleaned up. This is the most economical part of a chicken that we can. This is the most, you know, the most price consuming or something low cost what we can meat or we can use in Jamaica right now. Okay, y'all, and please note, if you're using chicken, like the chicken breast and thigh and whatever part of the chicken here, you can use any part, please remove the skin. You know I always keep my skin on, but that is for like cooking and frying. It keeps the chicken moist, as I told you. But for soup, you need to remove your chicken skin. Right here I'm going to use some apple cider vinegar, yes, inside my water. So it's not like about like a quarter cup of apple cider. Why apple cider? Because the chicken foot and the chicken neck, they are more like, you know chicken has this raw nature, all meat, but the chicken foot and the chicken neck, they are more. Now I've gone ahead and all of these have been cut and stuff, but I've left some to show you right in camera, girl. This is what the chicken foot looks like before it is stripped. You people all, some people buy it when it is properly stripped. Well, I got mine stripped, but it was like in bulk. So this is the strip or the coating that is over the feet of the chicken, so it's well protected, but you don't use it with it. So you have the toes right here, right in. So you get right here, this is where you cut the toes, right there, and you take off the nails, the toenail, okay, the nails, okay, and you will have something like this leaving here. What you can do, you can use your knife and slice right here, or you can eat your stove and you can put it right on top, and as soon as the stove burns it, you just pull it off, because that is, or you can use, dip it in some hot water. So you need to remove all of this yellow strip here, this yellow covering of the feet of the chicken, and proceed to remove the nails. Okay, y'all. Now when you have done this, you have a joint right here between the straight part and the toes. You will need to find it, and you go right in it and give it a cut, okay, to crack it, just to get it on the limb side. So when you're cooking, it cooks easier this way, this main bone. Okay, so look at these that are in there, sorry, I've done them ahead of time for you. This one, and I want to show you this. If you see any look like this, you throw it out. Like this, don't use it. Okay, y'all, this is another one for you. So you proceed to cut off right there, and sometimes you get a little part in them. This is how, when they're in the chicken cook, that and the weight and to where they stand or so, it squeezes the feet. So another one for you, showing how you do it. Please remember to remove the nails. Okay, y'all, do not cook it with the nails. And I know some of you know that, but some people have never done this before. You need to let them know. Okay, so one more, the last one, showing you how to get your chicken foot all cleaned up before you start cooking your soup. So you take the nails off, and remember, if you see anything like this and you're gonna see something here, you can either burn it, or I tell you, or you can just slice it off with your knife. So all cleaned off. These were done ahead of time, so I left those few just to show you. So we have them right here. Remember, if they look anything like this, don't use them, you throw them out. This is what they're supposed to look like. So we're leaving them now in this apple cider vinegar water. So now I have some chicken neck here as well, and you're going to proceed to remove these little parts. Look at them, these little extra parts. You're gonna get them into You're gonna proceed to all these little fatty parts. You're gonna take them off. Here, if they're so big, you put them in 2, and these are the parts I'm telling you. You just spear them off, make sure you have a sharp knife, and you clean them off. You have some people, if you get the select ones that are packaged in some supermarkets, they call them select. They have done all of this for you, but it is more pricey. But you know, at Jamaica, me there, you know, don't tell us the thing down here turn up, so me I forget them one year. Cause me can do it myself and save $1 or 2. I do it that way, okay, y'all? So if you're getting it like this is what you do. Okay? So you're getting your chicken. This one is small, so you might not have to do it. Right? And you're gonna leave it. This is another chicken foot. You're gonna leave it in your apple cider vinegar. Don't be maugrish, meanish. Don't be skimpy on the apple cider. Let the apple cider vinegar water. Let it be strong to clean it. So after about half an hour, you will see how clean it is. You will see the apple cider will take care of all those extra things on it, and then you see how clean it is. Okay, y'all? So inside your apple cider vinegar for about 15 to 20 minutes, and when we return, you will see the look of it. Okay, y'all?